In this video, I'm going to show you what makes a virtual number reliable, why so many of them failed, and how to avoid wasting your money on unreliable virtual number. Now, without wasting much of your time, let me just jump straight right into the video. What is a virtual number? A virtual number is simply a phone number that works online instead of through physical SIM card. This number can be used to verify accounts on a lot of platforms. Platforms like WhatsApp, Telegram, Google, Facebook, TikTok, and others. So it is also popular among business owners, a freelancer, or somebody that just wants to keep their primary number private. So virtual number is also an other alternative for you to explore. The reason why this particular virtual number that I'm making a video for on you is actually because unlike others that you can lose access to or you won't be able to renew, these have expiring dates and you can retain the virtual number that was generated for you as long as possible. So far it is working for you. You can retain it as long as you want. A reliable virtual number should receive SMS quickly. It should support the platform that you are trying to verify. The number should be fresh, not a number that has been recycled hundreds of times to different lot of people. And the most important thing that gives one confidence is knowing that these particular services is being rendered by a brand that is very strong on reputation and very responsive to their customer in case they have any issue. Prices might actually be different since a lot of other brands are also offering services like this, but regardless, this platform is very reliable and strong, so which is why I'm sharing it with you. So a slightly higher price is often what to be considered if you are trying to use a reliable platform. So to get started, you are going to click on get started today as it is shown in the video, and you sign up with either your email address or you continue using your Google account if you want to use the current email that is on your phone. But if you have a dedicated email address that you want to use separately, you can just simply use that and sign up. An OTP will be sent to your email address, so you are going to enter the email address, confirm your OTP, and continue. Once you click on continue and you are able to log in successfully, this is how the interface looks like. So of course your account will be zero balance, so you are meant to click on the left button and then click on fund account. So when you click on fund account, you have two ways in which you can use to fund your account. You can either use the crypto or you simply pay in our naira but it's going to be converted at the rate of US dollar, because this platform collects payments in dollar. So after you have made your payments, it's going to reflect instantly in your wallet. Then once it reflects, so you browse, red navigation button, you click on rent number. So when you click on rent number, you are going to scroll down and see lot of options for you, lot of country to choose for the purchase of your number. And then once you see your preferred country, once you have choose your preferred country, so you also choose the services you are trying to use the number for to verify, probably WhatsApp, Facebook, Google, TikTok, email, Amazon's, any platform. So the amount will be the display that you are meant to pay for the purchase of the number. So just go to the platform that you want to use it for, sign up there, input the phone number that was generated for you here. Instantly you will receive an SMS on the platform, so showing you the OTP code. So once you copy the OTP code and you input it to the platform you are trying to make use of the virtual number on, then rest assured that it's going to work successfully. As you can see, as it is displayed in this video, I purchased a UK num and I use it to open a WhatsApp account, and as you can see, I tested it out, message myself, and also show you the number. So if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, comment and share. I will see you in the next video. Peace out.